Most people spend hours every week doing repetitive tasks, writing emails, summarizing documents, creating presentations, and searching for information.
But today, AI tools can automate many of these tasks and save you a huge amount of time.
In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful AI tools that can save hours of work every week.
Welcome to Clarity AI Studio, where we make AI simple and practical. The first tool is ChatGPT. It's one of the most powerful AI assistants available today, and it can help with many everyday tasks.
For example, you can use ChatGPT to write emails, summarize long documents, generate ideas, and even draft reports. This makes it a powerful productivity tool.
Let's try a simple example.
We'll ask ChatGPT to write a professional email explaining a project delay.
And within a few seconds, we have a structured and professional email ready to use. This alone can save a lot of time during a busy workday.
And this is just one simple example of what ChatGPT can do.
The second tool is Preplexity AI. Think of it as an AI-powered search engine that gives you clear answers instead of endless links.
Normally, when you search online, you have to open multiple websites and read through pages just to find the information you need.
Preplexity AI solves this by giving you a direct answer while also showing the sources it used. It's like having an AI research assistant. Let's try a simple example. Instead of opening 10 different websites, Perplexity instantly generates a clear answer.
Within seconds, it summarizes the information and even provides the sources, so you can research faster and trust the results.
But research is only one part of productivity. The next AI tool helps you organize your entire workflow. The third tool is Notion AI. It's an all-in-one workspace that combines notes, tasks, and projects, powered by artificial intelligence. Most people manage their work across different apps, notes in one place, tasks in another, and document somewhere else. Notion AI brings everything into one organized workspace. It can automatically summarize notes, generate task lists, and even help plan projects. For example, after a meeting, you might end up with messy notes like these. Instead of organizing everything manually, you can ask Notion AI to summarize them. In just a few seconds, it reads the content and turns it into a clear summary, and even extracts the key action items automatically. Your messy notes become a clear plan of action. This makes managing projects dramatically easier. The fourth tool is Gamma AI. It allows you to create full presentations in seconds using artificial intelligence.
Creating presentations usually takes hours. You have to structure the content, design the slides, and format everything.
Gamma AI solves this by generating an entire presentation from a simple prompt. All you have to do is describe your topic. For example, we can ask Gamma to create a presentation about the benefits of artificial intelligence in business. As you can see, it automatically organizes the content into structured slides. For example, it starts with an introduction about the AI advantage in business. Then it continues with topics like AI adoption, decision-making, and operational efficiency. It even decides how many slides the presentation should include. In this case, Gamma created a 10-slide structure ready to generate.
All I need to do now is click Generate, and Gamma will turn this outline into a complete presentation with formatted slides.
Within seconds, Gamma transforms the outline into a fully designed presentation. And just like that, what used to take hours is done in minutes. From a simple idea to a complete presentation, fully structured and ready to use. That's the power of AI. The fifth tool is ElevenLabs. It allows you to generate realistic human voiceovers using artificial intelligence. Creating voiceovers usually requires recording equipment, a quiet space, and multiple takes. And not everyone is comfortable using their own voice.
For example, we can paste a simple script like this. Then choose a voice. And generate the audio instantly. And this is the
Artificial
result.
intelligence is transforming the way we work by saving time and increasing productivity.
It sounds natural, almost like a real human voice.
This makes it perfect for videos, ads, and content creation.
The sixth tool is Opus Clip. It uses AI to turn long videos into short viral clips automatically. Creating short-form content usually takes a lot of time. You have to watch the full video, find good moments, and edit them manually. Opus Clip solves this by analyzing your video using AI. It automatically finds the most engaging moments and turns them into short clips. You simply upload your video, and the AI scans it to detect high engagement moments. Then it automatically creates multiple short clips ready for social media. Each clip is optimized with captions, framing, and timing, so you can post directly to platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. What used to take hours of editing now takes just minutes. The final tool is Zapier. It allows you to automate tasks by connecting your apps together. A lot of work today is repetitive. Copying data, sending emails, updating spreadsheets. These small tasks take up a lot of time. Zapier solves this by automating workflows between your apps. So when one action happens, everything else runs automatically. For example, when someone fills out a form, Zapier can automatically send an email and save the data into a spreadsheet, all without you doing anything. Once it's set up, the system runs in the background, saving you hours of repetitive work every week. Those were 7 AI tools that can save you hours every week. Subscribe for more simple and practical AI content. And check the next video on your screen.